How to find IP address on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Go to the current Wi-Fi network that you're using and tap on the icon beside it as shown. On this page, you can view the name, password, Wi-Fi address and more. You can also manage other settings below such as limit IP address tracking, DNS settings and more. Go to the IPv for address section. You can view the IP address from here. Following these steps, you can easily find IP address on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.